In this video, I will show you the easiest way to install and run Android apps on Windows 11 and Windows 10 without installing emulators, without configuring anything, and using free tools 100%. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the requirements for this process. This method supports only Windows 11 and Windows 10 Pro versions, not home versions. Also, one thing depends on this video, and that is you need to enable virtualization from your BIOS settings. Those are different type of BIOS, so they depend on your motherboard. Ensure your processor is suitable, like at least Core i3 fourth generation or newer. RAM must be 10 GB or higher SSD for better performance. Usually, the option is named Intel VT, X Intel VTD, or AMD V. Simply search for virtualization in the BIOS settings. If you can't find the option, search online using your motherboard model or your device name along with the phrase how to enable virtualization. This will guide you tutorials specific to your hardware. Finally, we will enable some essential Windows features. Press Start key and search for features. You will see an option called Turn Windows Features Off On. Click on it, scroll down, and enable Virtual Machine Platform and the Windows Hypervisor Platform. Once you active those features, click on OK, and the necessary files will be downloaded. It's recommended to restart your computer after completing those steps. And boom, it's restarted. After restarting your computer, we will need to download WSA builds or Windows Subsystem for Android. Scroll down and reach the download page where you will find the WSA available for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Also, I will leave all links in the description below. The most important thing to ensure you are downloading the suitable version. Select the version suitable for your processor. If your processor is ARM64, download the ARM64 version. If you are using Intel or AMD processor, choose the 64 version. As for me, I am using Windows 11, so I will hit up the suitable builds page for Windows 11 64. Scroll down and download the appropriate version. Let me explain the available versions. You will find multiple options. The first version includes Google Apps but does not have the Amazon Store. The second version includes both Google Apps and the Amazon Store. The third version excludes both Google Apps and the Amazon Store, but does not come with the Amazon Store only. Additionally, there are rooted versions with Magisk. However, I do not recommend this for apps related to banking or telecommunications, such as apps may refuse to install on a rooted Android system. For the best experience, I personally recommended using the first version, which includes Google Apps and excludes the Amazon Store. Simply click on the download file. Once the file has been downloaded, as you can see, we will extract it. Right click on the file and select extract all, then hit extract. You can use any file extraction software that suits you. After extracting, open the folder connecting to the file. Locate a file named runpath, which is responsible for installing WSA. Right click on it and ensure you are running it as an administrator, then click yes. A blue installation windows will appear, which will handle the WSA installation. If any prompts like the one shown here appear, avoid checking any unnecessary boxes. Just click continue. At the point you might get asked if WSA can access to your hardware like microphone or your camera. Click simply yes. Once the Play Store appears, you will need to sign in using your Google account, and that's it. You have successfully installed WSA. Now log in to your Google account to access the Play Store. After logging in, you will see a welcome message. Just click I agree and the installation process is completed. When you see the all done message, press any key to exit the setup. Close the folder, go to the Store menu, and you will find the Play Store listed as the latest installed app. Let's open it and take a look at this point. You can choose Not Now and click No Thanks for any optional prompts. In the search bar, directly type Instagram, for example. As it's shown here, the app will appear. Click Install, download the app as soon as enough. It will be ready to use. After installing is done, you can click Open to launch the app. It opens normally and you can even launch it directly from the Start menu right here. Now let's talk about the scenario where you have an APK or XAPK file, which is a format for Android apps. For example, if you have an app like CapCut in APK format, double click it, want to install it. So what's the solution? The solution is to install a tool like WSA Package Manager. It's called Pacman. Let's download it by handling its to releases page and getting the latest version, which is 1.5.5.0 at the time of the recording. Scroll down and select the portable version. Once the program is downloaded, do open it right away. First go to the Start menu and launch the Windows subsystem for Android, then -2 Advanced Settings and enable developer mode by turning it on. If a prompt appears, simply click Allow, Next, and click on Manager Developer Settings and make sure to enable USB debugging. If it's not already enabled, you must activate and hit OK. Close all those windows, go to your download and extract the WSA package manager. Right click the file, select extract and open it to extract folder. Locate the executable file called wsapacman.x. Double click and launch it. Wait for the program to establish a connection. Select always allow from this computer and clicking allow. Once connected, the program should display a green stage and telling you everything is ready. Return to your downloads folder and locate the Android app in APK or XAPK format. Double-click the file to start the installation. If it doesn't open directly, you may be prompted to choose an app. Click on Browser Apps in the Microsoft Store, then install the XAPK packing tool. In meantime, let's download APK installer. Make sure you select the app developed by WireWire. Once the app is installed, double-click your APK file again. This time it will open in the installer showing you all package details. Click install and the app will be installed successfully. When it's ready, you will find it in the Start menu. For the demonstration purposes, I use the CapCut as an example, although it's already available in Google Play Store. I hope this video was helpful and I will catch you later for a reason.